to do this quick video and overview of Windows 8, the customer preview, which came out yesterday, and you can download it. I will give you a link on where you can download it and test it for yourself. I am running this version of Windows 8 in a virtual machine, so it's not going to be as fast as it should be. So the speed is not going to be totally like it should. But the first thing you're going to notice when you first get Windows 8, whether that will be eventually on a tablet or on your upgrade to it from on your home PC, is when you turn on your computer, you'll see this start screen. This is now the default screen that you come to on Windows, and you also see this is replace the start menu down here on your computer. You'll see that in a second. The first thing you notice is you've got little applications on the tile system, which you can obviously use with a touchscreen and drag, but on a computer so far I've seen you have to use the keys. Whether I'm not sure whether you can use the mouse, it might be a reason why it doesn't work in a virtual machine. But you can also check out the weather instantly. You can keep up to date with all your messages, whether that's on Facebook or IMs like MSN or Gtalk. Then you've got your webcam, which is here, which won't work on my computer because I'm using it now, and plus it's not set up on the virtual machine. You've got your mail application, or the Windows Mail, and you can also use Internet Explorer and Metro View, which I do hope that Microsoft allow Mozilla and Google Chrome to be able to use in the Metro View, because I don't really want to be using Internet Explorer. As we all know, it's not quite as good as the other browsers. That's a good thumbs up here, Microsoft. If you can integrate all the other browsers to let them use Metro, that would be quite good, as we do want to try some browsers. So this is basically the tile feature, and these are two applications I've installed from the Microsoft App Store. Evernote and Cut the Rope. Will show you how to install them in a minute. And these programs will be linked with your Microsoft ID. So if you were to go to a friend's house and log in with your Microsoft ID, these applications would appear on your friend's computer. This is a great way to have all the applications wherever you go, no matter what computer you log into. And these are two native programs which I installed normally in the normal Windows view, which I'll show you in a minute. But as you can see, these apps are here, and let's go ahead and open up Photos. I do have two photos I've added to this virtual machine version of Windows 8. And you can also share or get your albums from Flickr, Facebook, and Microsoft SkyDrive. And here are the two photos I've added, and I will show you where these are on my computer in a minute. So let's go back. Okay, so let's go to the desktop. And this is the interface we're all familiar with from Windows, back from the first version of Windows we all started using, other than Windows 3.1 and all that. So this is the Finder that we all know. And if I go to Pictures, you'll see them two pictures that I have, which I showed you a second ago. So you can actually, all interfaces are all the same. They've also added a feature with copy and paste, so you can pause particular copy and pastes, and they will go in one window. That's a great feature that Microsoft added to Windows 8. And I will show you opening up Firefox in a second, but in the Metro view. So to get back to the Metro view, you have to hover over here with your mouse. This is a bit slow due to the virtual machine. And with a touchscreen, I think you just swipe over with your finger. Oh, we had it there. So as you can see, you got your settings, which is the control panel. You can get to the control panel, personalize settings, and all the other features you want. And you can also right click on the screen still, or I guess you could hold down the touch screen on your computer to get into the properties, which we're all used to changing backgrounds and so on with when we're in the... I'm not sure if Microsoft have integrated both the screensavers and both the Metro view as well. So let's go back. And you can also, you've got the share button and the search feature where you can search for all of your files both on the Metro interface and on the normal interface. It'll give you a list of all applications. You can search particular applications, settings or files. This does seem quite good at the moment, and I have used this a few times to search for a few things, and it does seem pretty well integrated. And then here are the legacy applications like Paint, which I guess does go to the Metro view when you use them. So let's get back into the Metro view and carry on. Okay, so this is where the start menu is. That would normally be down here. So this would be replaced with the start menu. So let's go ahead and look in the Microsoft App Store, and then we'll come back to showing you how Firefox works after you've installed it. So, and you've got Xbox integration here, so you can play certain games like Pinball and Solitaire and update to your Microsoft Xbox Live account, saying you played it. So the games will be linked together from your Xbox and to your from your PC. Certain games you'll be able to get extra Xbox Live points and scores. So let's go ahead in the App Store. This will be a store where there will like iOS and Android, where you'll be able to get some free and paid applications. I can see this being a great feature of Windows, as you can be sure that Microsoft are going to vet all the software that goes into this store, hopefully. So that will make sure that if we download all things from here, we won't get viruses on our PC. As you can see, there's Evernote, which I've already installed. And hopefully the developers get on board on this and actually make applications for the Windows App Store. And I'm guessing this also will be the same App Store or similar App Store to what you'll get on Windows Mobile. And you've also got this interface here. Just try and get that back up, which lets you, if you're on a tablet, you can swipe here and you can switch between the applications that you're running on your computer. And on a normal, when you're not running it in a virtual machine, it'll just hover over here and you'll be able to get to that. Let's get back to the start menu. And that's basically Windows 8, guys. The customer preview. This obviously could change a bit. Let's go ahead and open up Firefox, show you that it's working like we expect it to. There you are. You can use normal Firefox. Like I say, I hope Microsoft do allow all the others to use the Metro view. But yeah, that's basically Windows 8. This probably could change quite a bit when Windows 8 is finally released. But on my first views, this is quite a step up game to Microsoft to keep up to date with the changes of technology, and us would be able to have a tablet and our PC. It would have been nice to just have the one interface, but I can understand the reason why Microsoft need both interfaces to keep their legacy apps running perfectly fine. I probably will get a Windows 8 PC or upgrade to Windows 8, and I would like to eventually see it on a tablet and give my final reviews of Windows 8. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that's Windows 8. You typically find us talking tech 24/7, 7 days a week at mdrtech.co.uk/blog. Or you can also ask questions that we'll answer for you, which is at www.mdrtech.co.uk/answers.